How to stake Lunatics token? Step 1. Visit our website, go to menu and choose staking. Step 2. Click Login and connect your wallet. You can connect MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but you can also connect other wallets if you choose so. Make sure your wallet is turned on Binance Smart Chain Network. Step 3. Start staking. Step 4. Go to Deposit and enter the number of tokens you want to stake. Step 5. Select staking period you want to stake your tokens for. Step 6. Approve the contract. Rewards can be claimed every day. Staked tokens can be withdrawn only at the end of chosen staking period. To claim your staking rewards, go to Claim and choose the rewards you want to claim. Enjoy our staking and your mega earnings.